Good morning, welcome to Rox Chat. Tracy here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. So today I have to go to the dermatologist, and we've got to negotiate that awful road, so fingers crossed. Not looking forward to it. Well, it's actually the return journey I'm not looking forward to, but at least Gary will be driving, huh? So I don't know why, but my light keeps flickering. We just have a power cut as I was straightening my hair, because my hair was like really this wide. It was honestly about this wide. So I figured I had to straighten it because it was just evil. And just as I got to the top bit, it went, phew. Oh, quick, do that quick. Well, it's still a bit warm. But then it came back on, so that's... I thought I was going to have like half a fuzzy head for a minute. It wasn't very nice this morning. And yet I used a mask on it. It just shows how much it needs cutting. But, you know, maybe one day. Anyway, the joke of the day. Another one about occupations. So, farmers never retire. You guess? They just go to seed. I like that one. They go to seed. Very clever who thought of these, really, isn't it? I mean, all those plays on words. I keep getting hair in my eye. Do apologise. So, yeah, it won't be a mega long one. At this precise moment, Gary's making breakfast. And so I need to get ready as well. So obviously I've had my shower and got ready-ish, but finish getting ready. I could be naked from the bottom down for all you know. But I'm not, you know. Honestly, look. I'm not. Just wanted to make that, you know. I didn't want that image in your head. It's kind of... Here we go. Trust me to lower the tone, huh? Okay, well today, a pretty unusual... Well, I say unusual. Not for this time of year, it's not, but the Open With Me is an unusual one. It's a book one. Now, that has pushed back my magazine several weeks now, so I might just do that magazine tomorrow. We'll see, really, how it goes. Now, I could go and do a little yarn quest while I was out, if I've kind of got the pennies for it, that is. We'll have to see. Plus, I'm not really sure. There was one more left in that kind of neck of the woods that I hadn't been to, but I can't remember, to be honest with you. And I did write it down on one of these. I think it's in the car, although might not be in the car. Anyway, I might just have to do a closer to home one as well, but you know, there's cross that bridge when we get there. Well, actually, I'm not looking forward to crossing our bridge either, because it's just ridiculous. Gary said, oh, what time should we leave? And I'm thinking about what time we should leave if we had normal traffic situations. So I think I'm going to have to revise my estimate and get out a lot earlier. I'd rather be there early and look around shops or go and have a Coke in a pub than be late, because, you know, it'd be waste of time going, I think, if we're late. But the traffic situation around here is just... there's kind of no alternative, you know. You can't say, oh, I'll go this way and there'll be less traffic, because everyone's got that idea. And there really isn't the back ways. I didn't get an awful lot done yesterday, for various reasons, but at least I got my Open With Me done and dusted and up, so that's one less thing for me to do before I go out. Yeah, I kind of didn't have the day I planned, but never mind. Anyway, I haven't really got much to talk to you about. I think it's playing on my mind that I've got to go and see this dermatology department today, and it's a place I've never been as well. So if it was at the hospital, I go there a lot, you know, and it would be just go, oh, you're going there again. But this place, I've got to park somewhere first, and yeah, I know we all have to park, but got to find somewhere, and I've never been in there. It's only a clinic at the end of the day. Shouldn't really worry about it, but oh well. That's life, isn't it? We all do. So wish me luck is all I can say. I mean, the actual thing that I was referred to go there for is probably all they'll talk about. Although I could be there all day with, with all my like little nitty gritty things. That's the sound of Gary gently moving stuff around in the kitchen. I wouldn't mind with the door shut. So it's no wonder I don't have any cups left without chips in. Anyway, I know it's just it is a real quick. I know a few of mine have been called just a quickie, but this one really, really is a quickie because, you know, I need to get out the door today. Anyway, thank you for watching and staying with me and all the things you do. And, just rock steady. I really am on the home stretch now. It's still a little ways to go, but because every time I look, it's like, oh, we're getting nearer. Oh, we're getting nearer. So if you haven't already subscribed over there on Rocksteady and given me some love and watched some videos, then I would truly appreciate it because the watch hours are getting up there. And yesterday I did a little video on there, and it was, have you ever bought mushrooms and then a couple of days later gone to use them and thought, can't use these, and threw them away? Well, I found a really good way of keeping them, and so I did a video on it. And that's it was only about a 3-minute long little kitchen tip thing. So yeah, there's that over there if you want to know how to keep your shrooms from going slimy or furry. Ew. Anyway, lots of videos over there lately. Anyway, see you later. Wish me luck. Bye for now.